Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the master volume in your ReStory. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From here, look for master volume. Here on this gauge you can adjust it between the values of 0 and 100, with 0 being muted, so the game is completely muted, 100 being max volume. This controls all the following volumes, so set it to, once set to 50, effective music volume is now set to 50. If I set this to 50, effective music volume is 25, etc. Adjust it to your liking. I will set it to 100%, and once you are done, press the back arrow or the escape key, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.